In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up NinjaTrader. Now to do this, first you want to go to connections up top and you want to disconnect from all active connections. So just go to those that are green and click on disconnect, and that's the first thing you have to do. Now once you've done this, you want to go to tools up top in this control center, and inside tools you want to go to export, hover over it and click on backup file. Now when you click on backup file over here, it's going to allow you to export a backup file, and then of course you can select what all you want to include in it. So you have configuration files, you have a database, you have historical chart data, then you have log and trace files, market replay, Ninja script files, templates, and workspaces as well. Okay, now down here there's also a reminder, and of course it says please remind me to back up my files every, and if you want to be reminded that you have to back up, you could do, for example, every day of the week or every first of the month. So I'm actually gonna turn this off, but of course to actually help you remember to back up, you can also do that as well. Now once you include all the things you want inside your backup, hit this export button over here, and then when you do this, you're gonna be able to basically do your backup. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds for everything to kind of load, and then there we go. As you can see, save as type, it's gonna be a NT8BK file over here, which is NinjaTrader 8 backup archive. Give it a name, whatever. I'm gonna keep it as the date. Go to downloads, and I'm gonna hit the save button, and that's really all you have to do. It's gonna tell you the elapsed time, and now for me it's done already. And once you've done this, you've basically successfully backed up your NinjaTrader data. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.